How to sell journals in TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to sell your journals that you either made or are trying to sell. So over here, as you can see, we're currently in the seller center of TikTok Shop. So navigate over here on the left side, locate the add new product option. Select that, and over here, you will be able to see information or basic information that you need to fill in, such as the product image. Now, for journal, product image are going to be very important to show your customers the quality of the journal. So make sure that you take really good pictures and follow the guide over here on how you should take them. You could use external platforms to improve your image, such as Canva. And over here, we have category. Simply search journal over here. Having or selecting a category is very important in TikTok Shop. If journal is not available, simply look for the specific category that describes what you're trying to sell. So there's a lot of different options over here. We have books. I think journal is some kind of under books over here, and simply select the one that describes your item the best. So for example, this one, because there will be specific additional options for that specific category that you will be or that you have selected, as you can see, just like this. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.